Today's the day that I get to drop my daughter off for the rest of her life. I can't really say that I feel sad about it. I really don't care. I gave up custody of my kid. I put her up for adoption. She's 7 years old. She's going to school. I'm about to drop her off to her last day of school. I have to take her to. And then the adoptees are picking her up from the school pickup line. And yeah, I'm a free woman after that. I'm selling my house. I'm buying an RV. I'm about to travel the world. I'm pretty excited. I have been waiting for this moment my entire life.
I hope that RV crashes. I hope you drive off a hill. I hope it's a big ass hill, and when you're coming all the way down that hill, you realize what kind of a shitty parent you are. And then I'm gonna turn on the news, and when it says woman flies off a hill in her RV, I'm gonna say what you said. I can't really say that I feel sad about it. Shame on you. Shame. For shame.